Among the other half dozen smartphones launching in October, Huawei is set to debut its new Mate 20 lineup. Today, the first official looking Huawei Mate 20 renders have leaked out. While we have already seen the Huawei Mate 20 Pro in photos and renders, the non-Pro Mate 20 has not surfaced much now, though WinFuture is delivering a set of Huawei Mate 20 renders that reveal several details about the upcoming smartphone. Apparently, the standard Mate 20 is going to have quite a few design differences in tow compared to the Mate 20 Pro. One of those includes the notch display. Not only are we looking at an LCD display on this device, but the notch has a similar footprint which uses the water drop design we have been seeing in recent months. This is apparently because the Mate 20 lacks some of the facial recognition that the Mate 20 Pro offers. However, the bezels around the 6.43-inch display are still quite minimal. Along with that, these new Huawei Mate 20 renders confirm that we will be getting a triple camera setup here as well. Further, there's a fingerprint sensor hidden underneath that camera setup. You won't find this on the Mate 20 Pro since it has an in-display fingerprint sensor, but the Mate 20 takes a more traditional route. The report further mentions the Kirin 980 processor, up to 8GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage and a 4000 mAh battery. Despite this, the standard Mate 20 being less impressive than the Mate 20 Pro is still shaping up to be the pretty solid phone. With all the rumors about Huawei's upcoming flagship lately, we still know nothing about prices. Well, thanks to a fresh new report, that gaps in our Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro knowledge is now fixed. The pricing list contains other phones as well and comes in Swiss francs. Also note that these prices are from the local distributors to retailers, so the end customer will end up paying a few bucks extra. The regular Mate 20, for example, ships to CHF 799, or in the other words $806 for the 128GB version, coming in black, blue and twilight colors. This means that the end pricing will be hovering between $850 and $900. As for the Mate 20 Pro, you will have to dig even deeper into your pockets. The distributors asking price in CHF 999, it means $1008, so the final price of $1100 is not too far off. That's of course for the 128GB of model in blue, black and twilight. Another important thing to note here is that the prices are obviously from the Swiss market, so they will probably apply for the rest of Europe as well. We will see for sure during the October 16 event in London. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.